Oh, wow. Hey, Jimmy D here for Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons from Rock Talk. Is your guitar out of tune and you got a Spark amp? You don't have a tuner? Well, stick around. We're going to show you how to tune it with it. Alright, so you got your Spark amplifier by Positive Grid. You got it all unwrapped, you got it all registered, and you're ready to rock and roll. So there is a built-in tuner on here. Let's learn how to use it. Grab your guitar, let's rock. Alright, so you got your guitar connected to your amp and it's way out of tune. What are you going to do? Well, with the Spark amp, it comes with a tuner. And it's pretty simple to use. You got your tuner up here. Just have to hold, it says hold. Wait till the lights go off. Lights off. I'm going to start with an A string and see how this works. See, it's a little flat, little flat. There we go. You hit the green light. Green means go. Let's try our E. Whoa. See, it's sharp there. We got to bring it down. It's pretty simple to use this. It's fun. It's easy. You know. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I got more videos. And there, we're done. So now, to get it back to normal, click on that again. Sounds pretty cool. That was it. Pretty simple. There's your tuner. You hold it down. And then you should go to town. Nice and easy. So there's no excuses to be out of tune. Hey, what'd you think of that? Leave a comment below. Now that you're all tuned up, you have no excuse anymore. Thanks for watching. Rock on.